Hi, friends. Today, I'm making soft clay prints with leaves and shells. Let's go slow and have fun. First, I get my things. Soft air-dry clay, Play-Doh, clean leaves, smooth shells, a rolling pin, a cup, a safe mat for the table. You can see simple pictures and videos from Pexels on the screen. I wash my hands. I make a little ball of clay. Roll, roll, roll. Nice and flat like a pancake. Pat, pat. So smooth. Now a leaf. I put the leaf on the clay. Veins side down. I press softly with my fingers. Gentle presses. 1, 2, 3. I peel the leaf up, slow and careful. Wow, look at the lines. Can you trace them with your finger in the air? Let's try a shell. I press the shell in the clay. Push, push, push. Not too hard. Lift it up. Look. Bumps and swirls. Can you say bumpy? Can you say smooth? I make shapes. A circle with a cup. A heart with my fingers. Press a tiny leaf here. Press a big shell there. So many textures. Let's count the prints. 1, 2, 3, 4. If the clay is air dry, I let it rest. Sleep, clay, sleep. Tomorrow it will be hard. If it's Play-Doh, I can squish it and try again. I can paint dry clay with safe, washable paint. Green for leaves, sandy yellow for shells. Dab, dab, dab. So gentle. Great job, little artist. You listened, you pressed, you created. Thank you for crafting with me. See more friendly pictures and videos from Pexels in the video to help you follow along. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time for more soft, simple art.